This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by John Templeton. For the creative buyer, or the buyer with imagination, or the buyer needing a huge workshop. There is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath upstairs apartment and a huge street-level workshop / bath. It is an estate sale in the heart of a very popular neighborhood. Financing other than cash may be problematic. Building is on a corner lot across the street from the ever-popular Nelson's Market. Easy walk to shopping, I-5, banks, and restaurants. On bus route to WWU. Upstairs apartment added in the 80s. For more information, review the details below.